Petersons. Laughter yoga teachers Susan and David make themselves and others laugh hysterically. Because they believe any problem can be solved with a chuckle.
That motherfucker's pulling on Sasha's lip.
Only child Victor is indulged by his parents. He boasts he can do
That feels like a lot of power right there. Right here.
Hey, yo.
It feels like a whole pin in my fucking...
Them, 3 of them on the rope thing that Sasha be carrying around.
Yeah.
Kept her from getting up on the couch.
The Vaughns are preparing for the real world by enforcing strict household rules and giving lots of chores. Is about to children and a new life.
Be good to her, okay? Being out here is tough on the kids, but there's nothing we can do about it. They might as well die.
Damn, that hurt.
Ow, wrong spot.
This one here's trying to tear Sasha's eye out. God.
Susan Peterson, they are alive with the sound of laughter.
We suppress and we hold in.
It's like
All that suppressing and holding in of all that expression is a lot of times the source of our illnesses and diseases and stress. So laughter is a stress buster.
Welcome to Laughter Yoga!
David and I have been formally trained as laughter yoga leaders.
Them motherfuckers on Craigslist.